Do you feel like you've improved your self-care routine? Well, you're not the only one, and it's all due to the pandemic.
What a surprise.
From makeup to skincare, there's a lot changing in the beauty industry. With the pandemic hurting sales, companies are taking a different approach, and customers are too. So what are some of the biggest beauty trends we'll see in 2022? This is Your Body On, the top 5 beauty trends of 2022.
How do I look?
Number 1. DIY custom skincare. Do-it-yourself skincare has emerged because people haven't been able to make in-person appointments with hairstylists and salons during the pandemic. By using DIY products, you'll avoid harmful ingredients for your body like parabens. These chemical-based preservatives reduce the growth of bacteria. You can find them in moisturizers, hair products, and shaving products, but they are hormone disruptors. Wah wah. Many DIY skincare routines include a mask made out of natural ingredients that you can find in your own kitchen, like yogurt, olive oil, or eggs. Sounds delicious. Brands are now capitalizing on this trend by offering DIY kits, online tutorials, and at-home beauty boxes as well. Number 2. Skin minimalism. Skin minimalism, also called skinimalism, focuses on reducing the amount of makeup you use, and the trend is even more relevant because of the pandemic. With more people staying indoors, the demand for makeup is lower. According to Pinterest, people's searches for natural everyday makeup has gone up by 180%. The goal here is to use skincare to highlight your skin's pores, complexion, and texture. One popular skinimalist technique is facial massages. By stimulating blood circulation, facial massages produce collagen, a protein that keeps your skin elastic and looking young. Number 3. Gender-neutral products. While makeup has historically been marketed toward women, genderless beauty is a new trend encouraging inclusivity for everyone. This push for inclusivity has been a common discussion on social media, and companies are taking note. Brands are now putting their marketing focus on a customer's individual tastes, not their gender. Some are also donating portions of their sales to various LGBTQ+ organizations. Number 4. Blue light protection. Remember how blue light glasses once blew up as a trend? People have now turned to beauty products with blue light protection to prevent the dangerous effects of monitors and touchscreens. With more people working from home, we're spending a lot more time on our phones, tablets, and computers. All this added screen time leads to blue light exposure. Like the ultraviolet rays in sunlight, blue light can oxidize and damage skin cells, causing lines and wrinkles. And I'm stepping away from the computer. It can also cause melasma, a skin condition characterized by freckle-like spots. Many skincare products now include ingredients that counteract this damage, like zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, and vitamin C. You can also apply SPFs with blue light protection over makeup for your skin to look less wrinkled. Or you can simply dim screens and use night mode on your devices. Way better. And number 5, AI makeup. With the rise of Facebook's metaverse and Snapchat filters, you can now try out cosmetic products as if you were in a physical store. This trend is of particular growing interest as the pandemic continues. Some brands have developed their own apps to analyze your skin tone or conditions. By answering questions in an app, the AI can create a personalized formula that fits your skincare needs. It's the same process with cosmetic brands. Their apps could help you find your own shades of makeup colors. But to figure out your own skincare or makeup regimen, you need to provide a lot of data to these companies.
Get ready for your makeup dreams to come true.
They'll know details about your lifestyle choices like your diet or how much exercise you do or don't do. So it's up to you. If none of these trends meet your beauty needs, maybe a more extreme makeover is in order. We'll slice into that on another episode of Your Body On.